I'm going to share my recipe page with you and show you how the recipe finder works. If you've been looking for a place where you can find recipes, they're mostly plant-based, full of herbs and spices for healing, but also unprocessed clean food, then you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Brett the Herbalist. You might be following one of our programs, or you could just be looking for good, clean recipes. So you'll find this page on brettelliott.com, and if you go to the Learn tab, you'll see there's a drop down here called Food and Diet, and that'll bring you to this page, Brett Elliott's Food and Recipes. So you'll find a link here to my book, which has got quite a few recipes in it. It's all about clean food and how it can heal your body. And there's also some digital products here which will give you access to coaching, where you get recipes daily delivered to your inbox. You'll see there's 123 recipes in here in total, but there's a search function here which will allow you just to type in anything you like, and it will filter them down very, very quickly, instantly in fact. Otherwise you can A to Z them, but these are the things that are really helpful. If you're doing one of our programs, you can just click here and choose the program you're doing, and it'll filter the recipes for that program specifically. Or you might be looking for what you can do with ingredients that you might have in your pantry or fridge. So you can go down here and click on one of the ingredients. Let's try asparagus. There you go. There's a couple of things you can do with asparagus. So it'll just help you to find quick ways to get rid of maybe something that you need to use. So there's some broccoli. Quite a few things you can do with broccoli. You'll notice each of these recipes has got a few sort of icons below it here, which tell you what the categories that it fits into. But the next thing we've got is the cooking methods. So if you want to do a bake or do a blend, you can just click on that and it'll filter them. Now what it's done here, this is really important to know, is if you've chosen broccoli, it's only going to choose broccoli that can be blended. So it'll combine these filters. So now we've got a couple of smoothies that have got broccoli in it. I highly recommend trying it actually. So the best thing to do if you want to get a clear filter again is just to go back to all ingredients. So by going back to all ingredients, you get all the blends rather than just the ones that have got broccoli. The other thing you can do is you can multi-choose. So if you want to, say you're doing a 14-day deep cleanse, which is the most common, and you want something you can bake. So what that's done now is it's filtered by deep cleanse and bake. So there you go. There's a few bakes you can do on your 14-day deep cleanse. So it's important to put this back to all methods before you go at all programs, all ingredients and all methods before you go on to your specific health problems or health issues. So when I've chosen cholesterol, it's given me quite a few recipes here that are good for cholesterol. But again, if you want to narrow it down, you can go cholesterol bake. Okay, so there's a few bakes for cholesterol or cholesterol blend for your smoothies. So you can get really specific. You can do a cholesterol blend while you're on your 14-day deep cleanse and you want to use some avocado. So there you go. Narrowed it down, right down to that. So it's a really quick and easy way to find the recipes that you want to use during your detox or cleanse program, or just for your general health, for your health condition. And then you can click on these recipes individually and it will take you straight into the recipe page, say here for the beetroot smoothie. And you'll find there'll be a video there for that as well. Full recipe and the video. There might be the odd one without a video, but pretty much all of these will have the video that goes with it. Tropical digestive smoothie, rich in enzymes. There's that one. So I'd love it if you'd give this a go. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. And enjoy the food, most of all. I look forward to hearing what you think of the recipe finder and also what you think of the recipes. Most of all, enjoy your food and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.